Yeah, actually, the training programs will run very smoothly and very nicely. The trainer Apurva was really very friendly, and we just loved it. The way she was explaining us, the way she was taking the program and everything, each and every detail, everything was very perfect. Actually, like as I'm very new to Australia, so I just wanted to go for search some new jobs in accounting. So for that, I just thought that this program would be very fit for me to just learn something new, the softwares which Australian companies are using for accounting purpose. So that's why I just thought to just enroll in this program, because we are just working on a client data that you're providing us, and that I think was like really a great experience to work on client data. So I think, yeah, that's very useful for us, for students to learn a software with the data and all. So that experience was really nice. Definitely, I would really recommend my friends to join Nextgen. Yeah, definitely, it's a nice way to just get into accounting field. So it's nice.